Hello future officers, welcome back to my channel. And today is the day 1 and this is the day session. So we are going to start with the ARD agriculture and rural development static portion, and the first chapter is introduction to agriculture, and I've made notes, so we are going to quickly revise it. So this is the gist of it, and this much is relevant as far as the exam is concerned. So let's begin. So in the introduction to the agriculture, what is the basic definition of agriculture and all that? These are not the things that are being asked. So what I found relevant is the types of horticulture, which are very difficult to remember. So there are 8 types of horticulture, which is pomology. Pomology is related to fruits. Viticulture, which is the cultivation of grapes. Arboriculture, in which the perennial woody plants are being cultivated. The practice is known as arboriculture. Floriculture, floral crops, which means that flowers, the plants which are cultivated for the sake of flowers and for ornaments. The practice is called floriculture. Landscape horticulture, beautify with flowers. Okay, so the landscape is being beautified with the flowers, so that's the landscape horticulture practice. Olericulture is non-woody plants, which means the vegetables which are non-woody are being cultivated, and the practice is known as olericulture. Oenology, the name is. Oenology is the wine cultivation practice. It is the practice, and wine products are being made. The plants are cultivated. Such type of plants are cultivated from which the wine are being made. Now the post-harvest management, which prevents the spoilage. Okay, so this is the thing. Now coming next to the other factors and studies. So entomology, these are the terms which are very important as far as the exam is concerned. So entomology, study of agriculture, important insects and pests. It is what is entomology? Which means it is the study of agriculture which is related to insects and pests. So they study what kinds of insects and pests are there, and what can be done through that, like insecticides and herbicides, weedicides and all. Soil microbiology is a different term, is the next term. It deals with soil properties and health. Health of what? Health of soil. Okay, this is called the soil microbiology. Soil properties and health, which means that how much manure and how much organic material and what is the level of pH, etc. are concerned. Now in agriculture there are allied activities, which are apiculture, sericulture, lac culture. So apiculture is beekeeping and honey. Sericulture is silkworm. Lac culture is lac insect, which is also known as the Lecifer laca. Okay, so the cultivation of silkworm is sericulture, beekeeping and honey is AP, honey, seri, silk, lac is lac insect. Now coming to the revolutions, various kinds of revolutions are directly being asked in examinations. So revolution, so the protein revolution, it is the second green revolution. It is also known as the second green revolution, which is tech driven in order to increase the production of the crops. It is basically focused on lentils and pulses. Okay, and it is being said that the farmers are being told that 1/5 of their land should be cultivated by lentils and pulses, because lentils and pulses actually help in the nitrogen fixation phenomena, right, which increases the soil fertility eventually. So the father and person related, it is related by PM Modi and Jaitley. They have started it from 2014 to 2020. Now coming to yellow revolution. So yellow revolution is about oilseeds. Okay, yellow oilseeds. And oilseeds are 9, which are groundnut, sunflower, mustard, soybean, niger, safflower, sesame, linseed and castor. Sam Petroda, we need to remember that yellow revolution is being the father of yellow revolution is Sam Petroda. 1886, it lasted 1886 to 87. Okay, yellow Sam Petroda, yellow Sam sunflower, right, like this. Now black revolution we all know, biofuel, crude oil, petroleum. Okay, so it's basically related to ethanol blending and all. 1975 it started. Now coming to blue revolution, it started with fish and aquatic plants and shellfish. Blue, basically marine, so blue related to water. Now the father of blue revolution is Arun Krishnan and Harilal Chaudhary. We need to remember Arun Krishnan as the father of blue revolution. And few facts is India is the second largest aquaculture in the world and third fish production globally. Now, brown revolution. Brown revolution is basically coffee or leather or increasing in the soil health. Okay, so brown revolution is basically related to the coffee or leather. So it is actually related to the coffee. And Hiralal Chaudhary is the father of the brown revolution. Golden fiber, we all know jute is known as golden fiber. So the production of jute in the large scale is the golden fiber revolution. Golden revolution is different from golden fiber. Golden revolution is the horticultural fruits are being grown in the large amount. So the golden revolution is about horticultural fruits, etc. And the father of golden revolution is Nirpak Tuteja. Grey revolution is the fertilizer increase of the fertilizer, so the grain revolution. And the pink revolution is basically onion, meat, and poultry. So basically it is the onion. Few it is written that pink revolution is related to meat and poultry also, but it is also red. So it is being said that the onion revolution or pink revolution are related, and the father of pink revolution is Durgesh Patel. Next is evergreen revolution. It is related to sustainable farming, and the father of the evergreen revolution is same as of green revolution, which is MS Swaminathan. It is being started in the 11th 5-year plan. Silver revolution is related to egg, which is India is the third largest egg producer. It's some extra facts, and it started in 1969 to 1978. Silver fiber revolution is basically of increasing the cotton production and started to 2000. Red revolution is related to tomatoes and meat, and the father is Vishal Tiwari. Round revolution is obviously potatoes, because they are round. Green revolution, wheat and rice, high yielding varieties, and the father is MS Swaminathan. And the white revolution, milk. Operation Flood happened in 13th January 1970, and the father of white revolution is Verghese Kurian. So that's the first chapter of agriculture. Hope you like it. Thank you.